Okay guys, last video tonight, I posted a pic of the low E that I got from Mike as far as the way the string was installed, right? And I think there was about 5 or 6 wounds around this tuning post. This is after I've installed strings. Alright guys, listen. You can't wrap your string around around the tuning post 5 or 6 times because every single one of those wounds introduces a point of friction, which is why your guitar will not stay in tune. The ideal is to literally put it through the tuning peg, pull it tight, and get less than 2 wounds. That's not even one. Not even one, not one. When you get to the high strings, it's okay to have a couple. See, on the E. Point being, guys, every one of those wounds introduces a point of friction, which is why your guitar will not stay in tune. So please, don't restring your guitar and just wrap the string around the tuning post 5 or 6 times and then cinch it up and start tuning. No, no, no. Pull the guitar string through the tuner, and I've got a little cinch video to show you how, if you really want to get technical, you can lock it down so it can't move. But the basic point is, the more wounds, the more points of friction. You see that? That's in perfect tune. There is absolutely no point of friction in that string. It's not going to slip from the tuning peg, okay? And that's kind of how I do all of them. Anyway, just another little small tip to help keep your guitar in tune. Stay tuned.